Can you buy fractional shares on eTrade? It's a startling fact that just 50 years ago, the average American household owned only a handful of stocks. Today, thanks to the democratization of investing, millions of people have access to the stock market. But what if you can't afford to buy a whole share of a company? Enter fractional shares. eTrade, a leading online brokerage firm, offers this innovative feature, allowing investors to purchase portions of a single share. Fractional shares have revolutionized the way people invest. They've made it possible for anyone, regardless of their income level, to own a piece of their favorite companies. This accessibility has led to a surge in popularity, with millions of new investors flocking to platforms like eTrade. But how exactly do fractional shares work, and what are the benefits of investing in them? At eTrade, buying fractional shares is a straightforward process. Investors simply select the stock they want to purchase and specify the dollar amount they wish to invest. The platform automatically calculates the equivalent number of fractional shares based on the current market price. This eliminates the need to purchase a whole share, which can be prohibitively expensive for some stocks. One of the primary advantages of fractional shares is their affordability. By allowing investors to buy small portions of a stock, they can diversify their portfolios without breaking the bank. This is particularly beneficial for those with limited funds, as it enables them to invest in a variety of companies across different industries. Additionally, fractional shares can be a great way to start building a long-term investment portfolio. Even small investments can grow over time, especially if the underlying company performs well. Another benefit of fractional shares is their flexibility. Investors can buy and sell them at any time, just like whole shares. This means that they can easily adjust their positions based on changing market conditions or their own financial goals. Furthermore, fractional shares offer the potential for capital gains. If the value of the underlying stock increases, investors can benefit from the appreciation in their fractional holdings. While fractional shares offer numerous advantages, it's important to note that they are not without their risks. Like any investment, there is always the possibility of losing money. The value of a stock can fluctuate, and there is no guarantee that it will increase in price. Additionally, investors should be aware of the potential for transaction fees, which can erode their returns. In conclusion, fractional shares have made investing more accessible than ever before. eTrade's platform offers a convenient and affordable way for individuals to purchase portions of a single share. By diversifying their portfolios and starting to invest early, investors can benefit from the long-term growth potential of fractional shares.